Hello everybody, how are you? Fine, excellent. Today we are going to continue working in phonology. The page is the page number 14, vocabulary lesson number 2. Okay, using our words. Circle the correct word that completes the story. Then write it in the box. Okay, you are going to listen to me and you are going to circle in the corresponding word, okay, and write it here in the box. Okay, ready? Yes, here we go. Okay, I live in a big house with my family. It has 9 rooms. My room is purple. It is my favorite color. I have a big hook on the wall. Here I hang my uniform. I am a skater. I practice every day except when I take a nap. When I have trouble sleeping at night, I think of what I can do next to improve my skills and write it on a pad. I almost I almost forgot we also have a pet pig. Its name is Pie. It is very fat, but that is because it eats a whole pot of peanut soup. Okay, you like it? Okay, excellent. Please don't forget to continue practicing your spelling. Okay, for your participation in the spelling bee, I left you a video with the ABC song. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye bye.